a mouse, a mouse, a mouse. An ant, an ant. A giraffe, a giraffe. A tree, a tree, a tree. A snake, a snake, a snake, a snake. A red snake. Small, long, short, tall. A small ant, small ant. Small mouse, a small mouse. A tall tree, a tall tree. A tall giraffe, a tall giraffe. A long snake, a long snake. A short snake, a short snake. Small, small. An ant is smaller than a mouse. An ant is smaller than a mouse. Small, smaller. E-R, tall, tall. The tree is taller than the giraffe. The giraffe. Long, long. The green snake is longer than the red snake. Long, longer, longer. Short, short. The red snake is shorter than the green snake. Shorter, short, shorter. Tell me what you learned. See you next time.